5 times 9 is 45. Okay, na. Hello guys, I'm Mr. E143. So for today's video, we're going to have the concept and examples of the arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers with a definite pattern. So pag sinabing arithmetic sequence, meron siyang definite pattern. If you take any number in the sequence, then subtract it by the previous one, and the result is always the same or constant. Okay, constant. Then it is an arithmetic sequence. So the constant difference in all parts of consecutive or successive numbers in the sequence is called the common difference. Okay, so common difference ang tawag doon, which is denoted by D. So we use the common difference to go from one term to another. So how? Take the current term and add the common difference to get to the next term, and so on. So that is how the terms in the sequence are generated. So there are two concepts. We have, if the common difference between consecutive terms is a positive, we see that the sequence is increasing. So ang tawag doon, increasing. So then, on the other hand, when the difference is negative, okay, kapag ang difference nila ay negative, we see that the sequence is decreasing. So, yan lang. Dalawa yan, increasing and decreasing. So, para mas madali natin maintindihan, we have example here. So, yan, ito. So, example, calculate the 9th term for this arithmetic sequence. Okay, so, ito yung i-calculate natin yung 9th term. Yung 9th term. So, 9th term. So, by the way, ngayon ito yung mga sequence of numbers or arithmetic sequence. 1, 2, 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, and 38. So, kung mapapansin natin, pang 9th term ang i-calculate natin or hanapin natin ng pang 9th term. So, paano yun? Paano yun? So, meron tayong so, ito ay A sub 1, E sub 2, E sub 3, E sub 4, E sub 5, E sub 6, E sub 7, and E sub 8. So, yung pang 9th term yung hanapin natin. So, madali lang ito siya masyado. By the way, ang formula ng arithmetic sequence ay E sub n equal E sub 1 plus quantity, parenthesis, n minus 1 times d. So, whereas, ang A sub n natin ay yung last term, A sub 1 is the first term, ang n natin ay yung number of term, and then minus 1, then d. D is the common difference. So, kagaya ng sabi natin kanina. So, common difference. So, try natin ito i-calculate. We have, hanapin natin sa 9th term. So, ang ano natin, ano yung common difference natin ngayon? Okay, ang common difference natin, pwede natin nasulat, ang first term is 3. Ang common difference natin ay i-minus lang, isa-subtract lang natin, gaya na kanina, 8 minus 3, 5, diba? So, 8 minus 3 is 5. So, yan ang magiging common difference natin. Okay, so next, substitute natin E sub n. Ang first term natin is 3 plus pwede wag muna natin kunin, minus 1, and then ang common difference natin ay 5. So, 5. Next, 3, bring down 3, plus, so 5 times n, 5n, 5 times negative 1, negative 5. Okay, next, Okay, so 5n, okay, 5n, then negative 5 plus 3, negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Okay, so ito na ba yung sagot? Hindi pa, yan ang pang 9 term. So, ano yung hanapin natin? 9 term, di ba? So, a sub 9, ano yung n natin ngayon? Ang n natin is 9 terms. So, number of term. So, 5 times 9 minus 2. So, yan. Next, 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, na. So, 45 minus 2. Okay. Next, 45 minus 3 is 43. So, ito ngayon ang ating pang 9 term, 43. So, 43 ang sagot. Okay, so what if meron tayong problem na find the 27th term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, so hanapin natin yung pang 27 term nito. So, a sub 1 is the first term, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, hanggang a sub 27. So, yan na yun ang hanapin natin. Okay, so pang 27 term. So, ang first term natin ay ang first term natin ay 5. Okay, ang common difference natin ay 8 minus 5. Okay, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. So, 3 ang common difference natin. So, formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1, then times common difference. Subject the value, hanapin natin is 27 term, which is the last term. Then, first, a sub 1 or first term natin is 5 plus n. Pwede natin i-direct na 27, ang 27 term kasi hinahanap natin. Yun din yung sa problem. Okay, 27 minus 1 times common difference natin is 3. Okay. So, 5, bring down 5 plus 3 times 27 is distributive property. 3 times 27 is 81. And then, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Okay, next. Pwede natin unahin muna itong 81. 81 plus 5, pwede rin. So, 5 plus 81 is 86. Bring down negative 3. Next. Okay, so next. 86 minus 3 is okay, 83. Meaning, ang 27 term natin ay 83. So, yun yung 27 term. So, pwede natin sulat doon. So, 83. Yan. Okay, so next is arithmetic means. So, arithmetic means the terms between a sub 1 and a sub 2 of an arithmetic sequence are called the arithmetic means of a sub 1 and a sub n. So, ang arithmetic sequence, ang arithmetic means ay between the a sub 1 and a sub n. So, para mas madali siya maintindihan, let's have an example. Number 1. So, find the arithmetic means between the 6 and 20. Okay, so between 6 and 20. So 6, yung between nila, pagitan nila. So a sub 1, a sub, a sub 2, a sub 3. So a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. So kagaya na nabanggit natin, para makuha ang yung pagitan nila, okay, so a sub 2 ngayon ang hinahanap natin. A sub 2 equal, okay, a sub 1 plus a sub 3. So, plus a sub 3 then divided by or over 2 divided by 2. Okay, so substitute lang ang balance nila. A sub 1 natin is 6, and then a sub 3 is 20, then over 2. Okay, next. Next, 6 plus 20 is 26. Okay, then over 2. Next, 26 divided by 2 is, okay, so 13. 13. Ibig sabihin, ang a sub 2 natin ngayon ay 13. So, ganun lang siya kadali, guys. So, 13. Okay, so let's have another example. So, insert 4 arithmetic means between 3 and 12. Ayan, so 4 arithmetic means between 3 and 4. So, pwede natin illustrate. We have 3. Ang first term natin is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12. So, ibig sabihin, a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, a sub 6. Ayan, so, apat ngayon ang hinahanap. A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, and A sub 5 ang hinahanap natin. So, alam natin na ang una natin gagawin is alam natin yung formula ng arithmetic sequence ay a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, yun ang arithmetic formula ng arithmetic sequence. So, gagamitin natin yun para makuha natin yung common difference. So, since ang given natin ngayon ay first term and then ang last term. Okay, so, ang first term natin is a sub 1. So, natin sa formula, substitute natin. Sub n is equal to sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, so next, ang a sub 1 natin is 3 first term plus ang last term natin is 12. Paano? 12 ang last term natin, pero ang end term natin is 6. Kasi pang 6 ang last term. So, 6 siya minus 1 and then common difference wala. So, yan ang hinahanap natin ngayon. So, a sub by the way, ang given pala na ang a sub n natin kasi last term ng a sub n 12 dito. Okay, so 12 ang kasi given naman ng last term which is ang 12. Next, simplify. We have 3, bring down 3, d times 6 is 6d then negative 1 times d is negative d. Okay, next, 12. Okay, 6d minus d, understood may negative 1 dyan. So, 5d. Bring down 3, 6d minus d is 5d. Okay, next. Okay, so next is ilipat natin ng positive dito sa kabila. So, bring down 12. And then, lipat sa kabila ang 3, maging positive siya. Maging negative siya kasi positive. Minus 3 equal. Natira na lang is 5d. Next, 12 minus 3 is... 12 minus 3 is... Okay. So, 9. Then, 5d. Next, ang division property of equality. 5d. Yan. So, cancel natin ng 5. D is equal to 9 over 5. So, ito yung common difference natin ngayon. Okay, so next, since nakuha natin ang common difference ng arithmetic means na yun, ang common difference is 9 over 5. So, kukunin natin ngayon a sub 2. A sub 2, ang a sub, first natin, or a sub 1 ay 3. And then, i-add lang natin yung common difference. 9 over 5. Okay, so, next. So, paano mag-add? So, 3 plus 9 over 5. So, understood, meron siyang 1. So, LCD. 5 ang LCD nito. 5. Divided by 1 is 5 times 3, 15. Next, 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 9. 9. Okay, so next, 15 plus 9 is 24. Then, over 5. So, yan ngayon yung ano natin. Ang a sub 2 natin, 24 over 5. Next, a sub 3. Sub 3 natin. So, ang a sub 2 natin is 24 over 5. So, add natin ang common difference nito. 5. Ay, 9 over 5. Next, pwede na tayong mag-add kasi pareha sila ng denominator. So, tandaan na natin ang role ng adding fraction. So, since pareha silang 5, ang denominator, copy the denominator 5, and then 24 plus 9 is 33. Next, a sub 4. A sub 4. So, ang a sub 3 natin is 33 over 5. Next, a sub 4. Ang a sub 3 natin is 33 over 5 plus common difference 9 over 5. Next, so, parehas na ng denominator. Ayan. So, copy 5. 33 plus 9 is 42. Yan. So, 42 over 5 ang a sub 4 natin. So, 42 over 5. Next, last one, a sub 5. Okay, so, a sub 4 natin, 42 over 5. Next, plus common difference, 9 over 5. So, copy the denominator kasi parehas lang sila. 42 plus 9 is 51. So, ito ngayon yung sagot natin. So, 51 over 5. So, yan yung insert natin na 4 arithmetic means ng between 3 and 12. Okay, so that's it. So medyo complicated lang sa mga, dahil fraction siya. Rational.